Hi everyone, this is Asif Sheikh. I have done MSc in mathematics and I have done B.Ed also. Currently I am teaching one college and I have taught many colleges previously, and I am teaching various coaching classes also. So today we are going to start matrices. Let me brief more about matrices. The knowledge of matrices is necessary in various branches of mathematics. Matrices are one of the most powerful tools in mathematics. This mathematical tool simplifies our work to a great extent when compared with other straightforward methods. The evolution of concept of matrices is the result of an attempt to obtain compact and the simple methods of solving system of linear equations. Matrices are also used in cryptography. This mathematical tool is not only used in certain branches of science but also used in genetics, economics, sociology, modern psychology and industrial management. In this chapter, we shall find it interesting to become acquainted with the fundamental of matrix and algebra of matrix. Now we will see what is a matrix first. If you see on the board, I have defined what is matrix. It is very simply we can define it as a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of a number or a function. We have an example also, that is this the way we are you can see I have put 4 elements in the square bracket. So these elements are the elements of the matrix, and this symbol indicates that we have written the elements in the matrix. So similarly you can see the next example, that is A B C E F G U V W. So these are the here elements of a matrix, and this is we can give name of the matrix also. For example, I can write this as let it be A matrix, and this is let it be matrix B. So this is what about a matrix. Now we will have a 1 or 2 marks question based on finding order of a given matrix or matrices. So we will see how we can find order of matrix. Very simple. You can see the definition here. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called the matrix of order m by n. We read it as m by n. If you want, you can write here it is nothing but m by n. So this is number of the rows and this is number of the columns, and this gives us a order of matrix. We have 2 example also I have written on the board. That is one, see this is the number of the rows and this is number of the column. So number of the rows and number of the column define as the order of this given matrix. So how many rows we have here? 1, 2. How many column we have here? 1, 2. That is why I have written the order of matrix, that is 2 by 2. Similarly, you can see in the next example, that is example number 2, we have here number of the rows 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can give this as R1, R2, R3, and for column C1, C2, C3. So we have total here 3 rows and 3 column. That is why the order of this matrix is 3 by 3.